The first package we're going to look at is Simple Panes. We could see that we can install this from going into Atom itself, or we could type this apm install simple panes in the command line. Let's go ahead with this first plugin, and we'll start off just working within Atom, and then in a later one I'll show you the command line installation. Okay, so here we are in Atom, and I'm going to simply type command comma to bring up the settings panel here. And you'll notice that one of the options we have is install. So I'm going to go ahead into install and search for Simple Panes. We could see that I find it here, and I'm going to go ahead and just click install. And we could see that now that it's installed, we have the option to disable it or completely uninstall it. We could also click on the title, which will open up the page in the browser on atom.io, or we could click into it. We could see now we're in install and then our specific package that we've installed, and we have information like all of the keyboard shortcuts and the description on everything else as well. And now that we have this installed, I'm going to close my settings and I'll show you the power of what this plugin can do. Let's say we're in our app file, but then we want to open up our helpers to figure out some of what's going on behind the scenes. I can, now that I have multiple files open, hit Command K and let go, and then press the arrow key. And this is where Atom shortcuts are a little bit different. You may be used to having to hold down all of the keys at once, but this shortcut is sequential in that, I'll show you again, I just open up the file, and then I hit Command K, let go, and then press the arrow of where I want it to be split to. So I find this a lot simpler to go ahead and create panes. Again, I could hit Command K and then the arrow wherever I want it to go. So this one went down. So when I'm working with panes, I really find that that is a helpful plugin, and definitely want the shortcut so you don't have to right click on things to open up a new pane. So that's our first plugin.